Today I will tell you what is the most important vitamin for prevent age skin spots. Age skin spots is the common problem for the most people above 50 or 60 years old. The best things for you do not get any kind of age skin spots is to get healthy diet and take special vitamins that can help you not get any kind of skin spots. To understand why age skin spots appears, you need to know the layers of the skin. She has 3 layers. First one is epidermis. It's outmost layer of the skin. Its the thickness depends on the where is it on the body. It is thinnest on the eyelids, approximately half of a millimeter, and the thickest on the palms and the feet, 1.5 millimeters. This outer layer of our skin is under most attack. The outside layer of the skin, this epidermis, is protect us from the pathogens, from the pollution, and from the UV radiation. So this is most important because the age skin spots appear mostly in this outer layer of our skin. In fact, it is quite sensitive to oxidative stress. Therefore, it needs large amounts of antioxidants to prevent skin damage and premature aging. For easiest understanding, when you damage the skin and get age spot, the first layer of the skin it hits the hardest. The dermis is the middle layer of the skin. It contains tissues, capillaries, nerve endings, and hair follicles. It also contains various glands, including subcutaneous glands that produce sebum, body oil, and apocrine glands that produce sweat. So it is located under the top layer of the skin. The bottom layer of the skin is called subcutaneous layer of our skin. So most important things that you need to know about to prevent age skin spots is what is the most important vitamin that can help you that all these skin layers get better and healthier through whole life, and this is of course vitamin C. Healthy skin contains high concentration of vitamin C. The skin needs vitamin C to fight against pollution, UV radiation, and other factors that increase oxidative stress, such as smoking. When our skin is exposed to dangerous solar radiation, smoking, or other environmental pollution, or when we age, the skin is depleted of vitamin C, especially the outer layer. Another main reason for the appearances of the age spot is also diabetes or resistance to insulin. So 2 main factors contribute that you have age skin spots. Mostly you have a less vitamin C in your body that you need, so you have chronic depletion of the vitamin C in the body, and also probably you have resistance to insulin or diabetes. The outer epidermal layer contains up to 5 times more vitamin C than inner layer of dermis. Environmental pollutants, smoking, and solar radiation are the main factors of premature aging of the skin, because they increase the production of the free radicals in the skin. Large amount of the free radicals cause oxidative stress and eventually skin aging. In the short, if you have a lot less vitamin C that you need in your body, you will get easier age skin spots. So what you need to do, you need to take a lot or proper amount vitamin C daily if you get any kind of chance to reduce your age skin spots. A high level of melanin can cause age spots. Melanin is a type of pigment that is responsible for the color of hair, skin and eyes. Melanin is primarily determined by genetics, but exposure to the sunlight can also affect melanin production. This is what you also need to know. These dark spots are full of this pigment that is called melanin. Vitamin C blocks production of the melanin in the age skin spots, and that is the one of the possible solution for get reduction or do not get any kind of skin age spots. Also, a high vitamin C is necessary for the biosynthesis of collagen. Collagen is an essential compound of the skin. It is a protein that is main building blocks of the skin. Also, collagen is vital for wound healing and thick hair. Skin is mostly collagen. In fact, the inner dermis layer is about 75% collagen. Vitamin C can prevent formation of the age spots, which are the sign of the aging. So when you think about it, you need for the remove age skin spots or not get any kind of chance to get skin spots, you need each day a fairly amount of vitamin C. You can take it with the food. This is what I'm going to recommend you, but you can also take it with very good supplements that you can take it. Usually you need each day about 500 to 1000 milligrams of vitamin C as a form of high quality supplements, but maybe the best way to get vitamin C is going to be food that contains a large quantity of vitamin C. So what food had so many good quality vitamin C? This would be kiwi, orange, papaya, pepper, strawberry, pineapple, grapefruit, broccoli, Brussels, mango, tomato, spinach, acerola cherry, pomegranate, chili peppers, guava, blackcurrant, melon, parsley, mustard, kale, lemon. And you should take it if you have the age spot. In the conclusion of today's show, vitamin C is the most important vitamin to remove age skin spots and not to get any kind of problems with your skin, especially age skin spots. For the last 25 years, I'll be working with the patient all around the world. I proudly can say I cured thousands and thousands of people. My specialty to heal you with the help of my programs of natural medicine and nutrition. By following Mario Lab Natural Treatments program, you enable yourself to be permanently healthy without drugs and any kind of surgeries. For certain conditions and diseases, in my office we use medical, physical therapy and rehabilitation treatments. If you want me to treat you, call the Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia, or visit mariolab.hr, my new website where you have all necessary information. The links are located below the video. Complete treatments, my phone consultations are doing in Croatian and also in English language.